Guys, what's going on, man? You're tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at another video from Anatoly. Like, this guy is so funny. He basically does a series of an old man going to the gym lifting weights, and most times he's kind of, I feel like a lot of people will be embarrassed by this. Not more so the girls, but the guys, because most of them look like they're juiced up. He goes over there and he starts repping the shit out of whatever the guy is struggling with. So it is normally funny as hell. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you would do if you were in this position, man. We're just gonna get right into it.
And clean up. If anyone asks, I'm responsible for that.
Are you kidding me?
No, jokes aside. Oh, good. One moment. Don't you get tired? Oh,
Yo, you know how strong he has to...
You settled me up.
Why would this girl do that?
Everybody, in this video I will look like an old man to lift big weights and prank people. Long story short, enjoy watching this video. Do not forget to support me, like and subscribe my channel. Let's go, let's start.
This guy's OD funny. This makeup is legit, bro. Holy.
Oh, that's our passenger. What an interesting exercise you're doing. You put on a solid weight, I can see.
It's 220.
220? Okay, how should I?
Hmm.
Looks like in adult movies. What are you working on? What kind of muscles? That's for my booty. Can you help me? Okay, one moment.
Oh, she asked for his help? He looks like he can help you?
Casual, if you don't
Maybe
mind.
you will try to do it there. There's no point to unload it.
Excuse me, young miss. May I ask you?
Is this actually what's going on?
Where? Right here on my back.
Oh.
Thanks. Already forgotten why I came here. I would like to keep this weight, if it's possible.
Have you even tried to do bench press before?
Yes, I've done it before, but not that kind of weight. I'll try under my own responsibility. No, these push-ups are too easy for me. Can you sit to make it heavier?
But I'm heavy.
These are for the glutes, right?
For the glutes, right?
Oh, yes, but with a
If he wasn't old, these girls would not be talking to him.
hurts a lot in my
It's like, oh, it's cute. He's an old guy.
It hurts, it's better not to.
No, you didn't get it. Not on my face, but on my back.
Man, slow
You're
down a
well
little.
down
Cannot believe he
and
said that to the girl.
Nothing hard as I can
Are
see.
you kidding me?
No, jokes aside. No, I can.
You probably think that this man couldn't even unrack that weight on the
But
bench.
I've been training for years to get ready.
For what? The apocalypse?
What is that for?
I wanted more. Just sit as comfortable as you like a chair or a sofa.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey, let me spot you.
Oh, my leg. Oh, no, thanks a lot.
He's actually doing it harder too, eh? This is a Larson press.
It's my time. Well, you know what I mean.
What are you going to do? Push-ups?
Push-ups, yes.
Seriously?
Yes. I just need the weight. I'll do it now.
Do you work out at the gym too?
No, I work out in the bed using hands.
I cannot believe this man said that. Man's shaking.
Oh, that's okay.
Bro, there is no way he's this strong.
Closer to the head. Can I say you settled me up? Oh, that's nice. Oh, here it comes. Good. Well, now the most important thing. Try not to shit myself. Oh,
He said that?
nice.
Light work. Like, what the fuck?
Is to help with the food.
Bro, the fact that the man's doing a Larson press on bench press like that is ridiculous.
Cracked my bones, so to say.
What the?
Good.
Like, you can clearly see that that guy's much bigger than him.
Comfortable?
I don't know.
And he was joking around with that weight.
Nice.
That's it?
You can sit like that at my place, you know? It reminded me of my old ex. Ooh, lovely. Ooh.
Have you been into any sport before?
Well, I've been into boxing, a one-night champ,
What?
if you know what I mean. To lift heavy weights. You heard my back cracking? Well, you're not heavy at all, honestly.
What is your secret?
My secret is abstinence. I have the feeling that a little bit more and I would be done. But the main thing
Man said
is
abstinence.
to stop at the right moment.
Are you high on something?
Listen, they gave me some kind of tube. The guy that trains the... What did they call it? Pre-training?
Pre-workout.
The train
Pre-training?
tube?
Train? Pre-train.
Pre-train?
Or for-train? Pre-train.
Maybe.
If you're interested, we can go for a walk over there.
It's hard to refuse.
Can you help me up? Your hand
That is so
soft.
funny.
I would kiss it, but I won't.
Yeah,
Took a pretty
he's
break
not saying none of
while
that shit.
shaking now, but it's okay. It feels good. We'll see if there's any other
Are
effects.
you going to bench press again?
No, I'm down and out of here. Thanks, it's yours. Thank you.
My pleasure.
A very soft butt you have.
I want-
felt it. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Thank you a lot.
I wonder if he's really saying this stuff.
Okay, once again. Good luck to you. Good luck. One more time. Thanks. Thank you.
The cleaner.
I'm going to wipe this
Bro, you see what I'm
off.
saying? He's not jacked. Like, his arms are not even huge.
Huge. Come on.
No way he's gonna go lift this shit that the man looks like he's definitely... Not that he's struggling, but
Excellent job. Oh, what a great.
he's about to fucking snatch clean that
Do
shit.
you mind if I wipe here at the bottom a little bit? Yes.
What's
I won't.
happening?
Look, I promise. I always tell that the real youth is in the gym.
Right.
Well, how much weight is here? You're such a huge machine.
Here?
Yeah.
200 kilos.
Excuse me, is it okay if I wipe a little bit here? Just one moment. Dirt here. Oh, looks cool. Indeed. Oh,
What's
I find it funnier when he does the ones where the girl is lifting something.
I
Not the
was
running.
so tall when I was
'Cause
young,
there's old people that can still run.
years
It's not really that
tall
surprising.
on me. What's
But the
in your
weight
life
lifts?
is the main
I'm
thing.
absolutely agree.
What is that interesting exercise you're doing?
Romanian deadlift?
Mm-mm.
Is it for what is called the shoulder muscles?
So now I know this is just made up.
Wait, the old man clean up.
There's no way she said that was an art deal.
Oops. It started by itself. Oh, what should I do? Can I have a go and try to pull it too?
You wanna try?
Yes, I can use all what's left of my strength. I have to go home anyway.
Just do it with
I
your
wish he
hand.
didn't do the voiceover on it,
When I
because
returned from the military,
it's funnier without it.
a little bit. Push-ups, chin-ups with the guys. Does it turn off by itself or what?
Press the button down there. The green one.
One moment. I press, but it doesn't work. Why?
Let me at least lower the weight.
No, don't waste your time. I just do it quickly. Just look. Is it heavy?
Well, kind of. What do you want?
Can I try to do a couple of reps if you don't mind?
Well, I'm done doing it.
Well, a moment. Oh, good one. Yes, it will be harder to run backwards. Oh, I can't stand it. Shut it off. Shut it off.
Is he gonna fall? Like, because what's the impression?
Happens.
Well, I'll give you first aid if you need.
Are you a doctor? A doctor?
Well, not exactly, but familiar.
What kind of conversation is this?
I remember I did it somehow like
It's
that.
better to use both hands.
Both hands?
Okay.
I have a strong right arm since I'm a lonely wolf. If you know what I mean. Oh.
Don't do
Oh,
that.
I got scared.
That's where you increase and decrease
I
the
must have
speed.
accidentally pressed it with my hand.
That's a sweet girl.
Right. You sit and boom.
Boom.
My doctor told me
This thing is about to rep the shit out of your weight, bro.
Was right.
Don't you worry.
Oh, nice.
No way.
Oh, good one. You saved my life. I'm actually, so to say, athletic. I work out from time to time. Have these abs, you know. Oh, good one. Oh, that's okay. Check out my bench
Whoa.
press without a bench.
That's cool.
Yo,
Okay.
I really wish I could hear what the people are actually saying.
Oh, yes. By the way, you have very nice shape.
Thanks.
I've noticed it straight away.
That girl in the
that
purple
an
is not having none of this
irresistible
shit.
urge to come here and clean
No
up.
need.
Oh, it went so much. How do they do these barbos these days? Maybe one of you.
Man said, yo, come take this broom, bro. You're not about to keep showing me the hell up.
Well, maybe you're interested in a life companion.
No.
I don't know. I've been tough all my life.
Man said, yo, let me see how much the broom weighs, because there's no way.
Shake yours.
That is so funny.
Respect, man.
I'm actually well trained. I have a little bit of abs too. I kinda work out. I am experienced, so to say, and don't get under anyone's skin.
But we do.
Oh, so you do? Okay, girls, I have to go now.
If you
Yeah,
do
they weren't
anything
fucking with him.
now, I'm out of
They
here.
were not
I'll
fucking
go
with him.
too. They'll probably take me to the hospital. That's it, friend. I'll shake your hand. Good luck. I guess I'll go clean up then. But before, I will have to say that it is a little prank here. There is a camera over there.
Why tell them? I don't like that.
Nor I'm a janitor.
I don't like that he tells them. Or he tells some of them, I guess. In the Zuma class, acting like a Power Ranger about now.
Ooh, great job.
This I wanted to see. I don't think I've really seen him squat anything
So
like.
how does it work? Young
Obviously, I
man,
know he's these.
Can you tell me how it works? How do you turn it on? We used to call people like you an atlas. Such, you know, strong and athletic man. So which button should I press? A quick start? Yes. So, here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes.
Are you joining
Yes,
us?
can I join?
Of course you can. Just take.
Yo, why didn't looking at the man like that?
Is that the squat?
I'm squatting,
Is
yes.
it called weightlifting or something?
It's powerlifting.
Ah,
The
powerlifting.
power triathlon.
Am I running correctly?
I said the
Can you
power
tell me?
triathlon.
You don't.
Oh, let's go. Oh.
Bro.
Listen, can I try to do it with you if you
Listen,
don't mind?
Grandpa. Of
Yes.
course.
I said, listen, Grandpa. Like, shut up. You did not say that.
Sure?
Yeah, that's okay. Help.
Man's really trying to counsel him, like, yo, bro, this might not be it.
Oh, thanks.
How old are you?
Thanks.
Yo, she probably thought that machine was malfunctioning and that he wasn't actually running that fast. Oh, okay. Bro.
Careful, careful.
It will take me for a little.
First of all, yo, if I was really that guy in the red shorts, I would not be spotting him doing this. Because if he really was an old man and he can't lift that, that's gonna drop on me.
was much easier.
You know what I'm saying? And the fact that he's shaking like that. Oh, see, he stepped away.
Good. It goes like a spring.
Look, they're filming.
Who is f***ing filming that? Guys, turn it off. Excuse me. Don't
Bro,
be
leave her
alarmed. I
alone.
wanted to tell you that you just saved my life. Okay, good luck.
Thank you, Grandpa. Respect and
Sport
respect
is
again.
power,
Nobody
so
is
to say.
saying thank you, Grandpa.
Sound mind in a sound body.
Okay. You know he's about to go crazy here because he's a calisthenics man.
Good. Nice technique.
Bro, what kind of press is that?
Like,
God, that ain't a shoulder press.
oh, sorry for bothering, lad. I'll wipe here for a little bit.
Bro, the man's about to be going crazy. One arm pull-ups and everything. I can already tell.
Good technique. That's an overhead shoulder push?
Yep.
You were doing it great.
Definitely was not doing it
Mind
great.
if a grandpa warms
He was
up
basically
little
doing a
bit?
standing incline. I've never seen that before. Standing incline press.
Bucks.
Man's spine was so curved at the top.
Chest. Listen, can I do it with you? It's the end of the day and seems like I'm done cleaning. I can stop holding back my strength. I remember we used to do muscle-ups like that in the military. Maybe you know how it's done. Can I try that too? I don't know if I can do it now. Can you add some weight? Yeah, the 10 kilos. A moment.
I wonder if it's more of, oh, okay,
Okay,
like an arrogant way. Or it's like a more concerned way that they feel like, yo, the person can't do it. He's asking.
How we used to make it. No, Grandpa will show you. Little help here. Up, done.
These don't
They must know
turn
it's fake,
on
because if you can't lift up the plate,
Where's another?
and then he
I
can
think
lift
I'll
that
take
up.
Something from these. Something more interesting, so to speak. So, no.
Suey.
I think I'll add some more. It doesn't look right. Here. Oh, wait. I'll get it. I just have such.
Yo, first of all, what the
weak
fuck is
legs,
this
you
nigga
know.
working out in?
The main
Like,
thing
you're doing
is
chest and
not
you're wearing
to
short
set
shorts?
the
Like, what the
model.
hell? Some guys are weird, bro.
Oh, that looks pretty decent now. Just one more thing. Oh, good. It's okay. One moment. Let's do first rep together. That's it, friend. I'm going on my own. Step back a little. Oh, nice.
How does his range of motion look so small? You know what I'm saying? Oh, shit.
Ooh, a good one. Oh,
That's a
nice.
proper shoulder press.
It shakes me a little.
It's light as fuck for him, because that's the only way he can be doing stupidness like that, and it doesn't drop and hurt him.
My hands still remember.
You're kidding
It's
me.
muscle memory. I used to be a coach